Good afternoon, students. In today's class, we are going to have the topic Cauchy's differential equation. Okay. So today we are going to solve one problem. Okay. So this is the problem: solve x square d square minus 7xd plus 12 into y equal to x square. Okay. If it is in this form, we can say this problem is under Cauchy's. Okay. So we'll have a few substitutions that is not to remember. Okay. So before I enter into the problem, right, we should know the basic substitutions. So let x equal to e power z. This is the basic substitution. Now we will find the value of z. Just bring this e to the left side, so which will become log x. And we will have the substitution xt as d dash and x square d square as d dash into d dash minus 1. So these are the substitutions. Okay. In each problem, I want to write those 4 substitutions in the beginning. Okay. Now we go just substitute all those substitutions in the given problem. Okay. We will get one equation. Now we write this x square d square as d dash into d dash minus 1. Then minus 7 into xd equal to d dash. So d dash. Then plus 12 into y. So that should be equal to, in right side also I want to replace the substitution. So what is x value? Yes, which is nothing but e power z. So e power z the whole square. Okay, so this way I want to replace the substitution. Now we need to solve this equation. You just multiply this d dash inside the bracket. So you are going to get the equation which is of the form d dash square minus d dash minus 7d dash plus 12 then into y equal to. Now you write e power z into e power z is what? E power 2z. Okay. Yes, now we are going to get the equation which is in the form d dash square minus d dash and minus 7d dash. Okay, so the term is minus 8d dash then plus 12 into y, that should be equal to e power 2z. Okay, so initially we get the problem in this type. Okay, this is which involves variable coefficient, right? Because we are having the coefficient as x square, which means that is variable, right? Now we convert it into constant coefficient. So the topic is, if you want to convert any variable coefficient into constant coefficient, we are going to use Cauchy's. Okay, using this we can make that. Okay, now we need to solve this equation. For that, we just write the auxiliary equation. Just to replace d dash as m in the left side. Okay, you are going to get the equation which is m square minus 8m plus 12. That should be equal to 0. So this way I want to write the auxiliary equation. Now we need to solve this equation. Multiplication is 12 and the addition is minus 8. So we need to find the two numbers. So multiplication is 12 means we go with 2 and 6, right? So 2 and 6. But the addition is minus 8. That means we can make both are minus. Okay, so from that we can write m as 2 and 6. Okay, there are 3 types of complementary functions we will have, right? So the first thing is different case. So this is different case. Second case is same and third case is imaginary. So this is under different case. So for different case, the complementary function is, yes, we already know the concept basically, right? So a e power 2z plus b e power 6z. This is called complementary function. Now we need to write the particular integral. So pa equal to, the particular integral is 1 by, now we take the left side term. So the left side term is d dash square minus 8d dash plus 12 then into the right side term is e power 2z. Okay, now we'll check the function. The function is e power, that means we already know the concept. If we are having the right side term as e, we can replace d dash as b. Okay, so a value is coefficient of z, right? So that means d dash equal to a. That should be equal to the value as 2. We just replace d dash as 2. So that should be equal to, now we are going to get 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus 12, then e power 2z. Now we simplify this term. So which is nothing but 4 minus 16 plus 12 into e power 2z. Now we just solve this. So 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So we are getting the value, the denominator value is 0. The procedure is what? Yes. So we just multiply z in the numerator and we differentiate the denominator. That means this term ought to cancel. Okay. Now to differentiate this term with respect to d dash. That means we are going to get the term that is 2d dash minus 8. So this way I want to differentiate now. Okay, then into e power 2z. Okay, so the procedure is just multiply z in the numerator and differentiate the denominator with respect to d dash. Okay, again we are going to replace the substitution. The substitution is what? D dash as 2. Again we are going to get 2 into 4 is 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. That means our reply, we are going to repeat the same process. So that is z square 1 by, again I want to differentiate this term with respect to d dash. That means we are going to get the answer as 1 by 2 e power 2z. This is the particular idea. At last we need to find the solution, which is nothing but y equal to cf plus pi, and cf is what? A e power 2z plus b e power 6z plus pi is z square by 2 e power 2z. At last I want to convert all z in terms of x. Okay, because we already know the substitution. So a we can write e power z as what? X. So that means we can write x square plus b e power x cube x power 6 plus z is what? Log x. So log x the whole square by 2. This one is what? X square. So y in terms of x. So this is the solution for the given problem. So this way we need to solve the problem. Okay.